are going to set up the conversational AI bot with the option of general Q&A bot as well as the appointment bot, and this one is just a start from the scratch, and you would see how important these bots can be. Like literally they can just learn your entire business right away in a moment and become an amazing question and answer. But not just that, how easy it is to train these bots as well, I'm going to depict to you. Basically you just edit the answer as per what you want the users to know. I'm going to do it right away. But before jumping onto setting up these bots, I would quickly want to give you heads up, because a lot of people miss out onto this opportunity, because we are going to give one-to-one personal WhatsApp support of onboarding your first client when you land for the AI employee. Your first client landing will be 100% on us, but not just that, even 127 snapshot white labeled course for the AI employee that we are building. 127 snapshot, by the way, are value $10,000 plus. All you have to do is just enter our referral code within the AI employee. Not at all a task, and it doesn't mean that you will be charged or you have enabled the AI employee. It doesn't mean anything. Like, how do you do that? Just go to the settings, just click on AI employee, manage offers, and then just put the within the FP reference AI bonuses. Now you can just quickly watch the video. I've just put in for the bonuses that you're going to get. Just watch the video. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I've been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. Right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like, how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then, even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then, how do I scale this to the new height? So, we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Gohighlevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you will be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates, and when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye. So now, since you have watched the video, let us just jump on to building this particular bot. As you can see, this one is the first one, general Q&A. All you have to do is just like go to the settings, by the way, first of all, conversation AI, general Q&A, and here we are. Here we just click on the continue button. So as you can see, this one is, let's say, new employee. You can just put on bot number one, Q&A bot, whatever name that you want to put it, right? And now let us just put it on to the auto reply, because we want the bot to auto reply. Then what sort of communication, like, mode this bot is supposed to work? SMS is by default selected, but let's say I want even the Instagram to work, Facebook to work, chat widget, live chat, and WhatsApp support. All of it you can select. Or if you just want to select specific things, you can select the specific things. Now, within the advanced setting, let's say business name, you can just type in, let's say in my case, Abdullah Q&A bot, or whatever name that you want. What is the wait time of the reply? Let's say I want just 1 second, each reply to be just taking 1 second. What is the maximum number of reply that the bot can send? Let's say I put in 20, 25. The next thing, send the bot to sleep. Now this I would like to enable. Why? Because let's say I am replying in between, right? Then I do not want the bot to just take over every time. So if I replied at any time, let the bot sleep for 2 hours. So this is how these basic settings are done. And now let me just click on save. As you can see, the bot has been created, and within here now comes the training part. How do we train the bot? So this one is like, this is one of my link, basically abdullahzai.com/snapshot. I'm just giving you for the test purpose. This link is allowing people who want to sign up for the Gohighlevel or to upgrade within the Gohighlevel. They can get so many bonuses like all the snapshot, 127 snapshot personal one-to-one WhatsApp support, and all these things are available. So let's say this is my business, like I'm promoting Gohighlevel as an affiliate, and I have put in this one, and I've clicked on get data. It has uploaded the link. Now I can directly put in some of the Q&A over here, right? Question and answer, that if this is the question, then this is the answer. But let's say I can't recall what kind of question. So last thing is just the bot goals, and after that we are going to just test the bot right away. So set a bot goal. As you can see, by default there are certain instruction given. You are a bot for this business and you cannot help and this and that. So you want to add more things, you can just add more thing. What is your intent? Your intent is to assist the customer with their queries. You want to add more thing, you can type in more thing. Additional, maintain a casual, purposeful and concise tone, and XYZ. Then comes like if you want to set up the action appointment booking. So appointment booking we're going to do in case of the next appointment booking bot that we are going to build. This is the trigger workflow. Like you want to trigger a workflow. Let's say if like XYZ, whichever workflow that you want to trigger. Now when you want to trigger the workflow, let's say user agrees to pay the subscription, or you can type in when user is totally like angry and using the curse word XYZ, F word, or whatever. So I mean, you can define as you want. Stop bot, like you when you want the goodbye to happen, like if the user is saying phrases like bye, goodbye, have a nice day, or probably XYZ, there's a goodbye detection. Then this condition, the stop bot, can be triggered. Then add contact, update contact information, which contact field to be updated, and basically what is the condition. Let's say the bot is giving certain things, please note my contact XYZ. Now let us just like everything is saved, let us just try to test the bot. So I just give in hi. So I just type in tell me about your business. So it is just detecting certain things from my website and giving, right? So let's say I just type in what about 127 snapshots. You get for this one. So basically on my website it is one time purchase also offer is there for $347. And then let's say I don't like this response. So all I have to do to train the bot, let's say in this case, I just click on minus, and then what should be the answer? You can type in this part is okay, you want to add. You can get 127 snapshots as bonus if you sign up for Gohighlevel or upgrade using our referral link, right? Further, also I can give something like this. You can purchase via link below. I can type and go to website. So this is how I have trained the bot. So I've just typed in the question and I did not like certain things which it answered. That if next time user answers questions like ask the same thing, it is going to reply with the right thing. Now let's say I don't like this answer. I want to update this answer to something better. So you can keep on asking the question that you feel that this is a relevant question, and then keep on editing the answer. And this is how you're training this particular bot. Imagine just like training an employee with unforgettable brain. It is not going to frame. Now as you can see, this question and answer, if I go to bot training, it will already be in there, right? Q&A, like one of the Q&A I did, where is the link to sign up for the high level, what about 127 snapshot. This is the Q&A. It'll keep on updating, and this bot is getting better and better with each of my training. This is how you have created a bot. This bot is there 24/7 working for me. Just imagine. Now I can make it, turn it into a primary bot as well. And let's leave it for it as of now. Now let us just try to create an appointment bot similarly. So this one is the appointment bot. I just click here appointment bot, And basically appointment bot is purpose is to book the appointment, right? So again, new employee, let's say I just type in appointment bot 1, auto reply, then channel, like let's say I just had one more, Facebook and Instagram, right? Let us just do it all again. What is this name? I can say appointment AZ, reply time 1 second. Now maximum message can be like so much, and then put the bot to sleep if I reply, right? Let me just create the bot. This is how you have instantly created the bot. Go to the bot training, and again, like this is the URL. You want to put some other URL. I mean, if I just put in gohighlevel.com, it will fetch all the data of the Gohighlevel. Your business will fetch all the data of your business, and then similarly, you can train the bot with certain questions. You will see the answer is also good that it is giving, but you can even make it better. And next time, imagine a local customer who's coming, and you can even see the chats of the customer, what kind of question that they are asking, and you can upgrade the answer. That next time any further new customer comes, bot is answering like a pro, super pro, 24/7, right? So just imagine how much the businesses would need this. I just saw one of the person selling this AI bot to a barber shop with appointment settings. So as you can see, your goal is to get the customer to book an appointment, right? So here, let us try to see book an appointment. So with the book an appointment, the system should know. In this case, let's say you don't want to book an appointment. Don't book an appointment. Only send the booking link. Now, which calendar do you want? I have created several calendars. This one is, let's say, the community discovery call, and I'll just save it. What other options that it had, like pause the bot after booking, trigger workflow after booking, transfer employee post after appointment booking. It can directly book the appointment as well, by the way. So now let us just try to see that. Hi, tell me about your business. We've got training to challenges and XYZ, whatever. Now I just type in book my appointment, please. You can book the appointment here. It is just giving me the link. Got any further question, I can ask for the question, but this is the appointment link it has given. So this is the link for the calendar which I just showed you guys. So you can set the calendar as per your thing. So right away your bot is keep, like your bot will 24/7 keep on booking the appointment based on to the availability of your calendar. Super amazing, right? Now this is not just enough. Like I tried many things over here. Within the intent, you can give a more permutation and combination that, hey, somebody books a tries to book the appointment, and then ask them for the payment, and if they deny the payment, then just book the appointment. But if they are okay to the payment, send them the payment link. You can just customize if and else statement as if you're actually training an employee. This is a super amazing thing, and literally it is going to skyrocket. And by the way guys, do not forget to put in within the AI employee our code AI bonuses, as I told you earlier, because definitely you are going to be getting all the bonuses that we ever built for it, and right away bonuses one-to-one personal. Like we'll be forming a WhatsApp group personal, and you do not have to worry about learning all this. We are going to do the onboarding for you, as well as white label courses and 127 snapshot set, along with the AI agency snapshot, by the way, if I haven't added the AI agency snapshot specifically to do this AI employee for you guys. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.